Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like your toy that Mama got you? Yeah, is it good? It tastes good.
Taste the rainbow.
Does that rainbow taste good? I'm really not sure it's good to let him chew on it. Definitely not unsupervised because of the eyes.
Yeah.
Well, you really like that, don't you, Papa? Mummy should bring you back toys more often when she goes away. Yeah. That kind of creeps me out, the sucking noise. Maybe put his dummy in instead and just let him hold it. You really want to eat your bird, don't you? Honey.
Soft and
It's not like he's hungry because he's
No.
just literally just eating.
I know. You got?
Yeah, you have that one instead, Papa. Have you got salty teeth? Is that why you're trying to jump on it? What are you going to name him? I think we should name him George. George the lorikeet. Does that sound good? Yeah. You want to play with him? You hold him. No, I just wanted to eat him, Dada. Fuck this dummy shit. I want my bird. I'm gonna eat my bird. Yeah?
You're 6 months on Thursday, you can eat birds for real. Like chicken.
Tori, that's horrible. Yeah. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Okay.
Oh.
Can you say hello?
Ha.
Say hello.
Can you say ha?
Hello. No, I got too much bird in my mouth, Mama. Hello. Hello. Papa, say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You waving? You trying to wave? Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.